Good day everyone! Today we are going to make Asian chicken with peanuts. And for the ingredients, roasted peanuts, minced garlic, ground ginger, oil, soy sauce, broccoli, cornstarch, chicken breast strips, and bell pepper. And for the chicken stock, we have celery, carrots, onion, and chicken bone.
In a 1 3/4 cups of water, put the celery, carrots, onion, and chicken bone. And bring to a boil.
In a medium bowl, combine the cornstarch, chicken stock, soy sauce, ginger, and oil. Stir until the mixture is smooth. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil over a medium-high heat. Add the chicken and stir fry. Remove the chicken from the pan.
Add the broccoli, garlic, and peppers. Stir fry until the vegetables are tender.
Stir the cornstarch mixture in the pan. Cook and stir until the mixture boils and thickens. Return the chicken to the pan.
Stir in the peanuts and cook until the mixture is hot and bubbling.
Serve hot.
This is the finished product, the Asian chicken with peanuts.